Hi. How are you?
I'm good. My name's Ed.
Hello, my name is Alina.
Nice to meet you, Alina. Where are you calling from?
I'm from India. Yes.
Okay, great. Is this your first time on Cambly?
Actually, this is my second time on Cambly.
Okay,
Ed,
well,
I'd like to take your consent about something. Can I
yes.
please use this video as a part of my YouTube video? Will that be okay with you?
Okay, yeah, sure. No problem.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Yes,
Okay.
Ed. So, where are you from and where are you right now? Because most of the teachers, although they were from UK, but were either sitting in Thailand or in Indonesia.
Okay, sure. So yes, I'm from England, but I'm in Thailand.
Okay, you too.
Yeah, me too.
How come so many people from UK are in Thailand right now? I mean, that's quite surprising for me.
I think for people who wanted to teach English as a foreign language,
Okay.
often they start in Thailand. There's a lot of work here, and it's kind of a central hub in Southeast Asia.
Okay.
And I think a lot of teachers then try other countries. Maybe they go to Vietnam or China, and a lot of the time, I think they end up coming back here to stay.
And your camera clarity is way too good. I mean, it's much better than most of the other conversations that I had.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Thank you. It's just the regular laptop camera, but it's nice
Okay,
to
it's very nice. It's very, very nice. And also, about Thailand, I would say I've been to Thailand and I agree with you on this, that there
Yeah.
was a problem of English that I faced. Not many people were speaking in English.
Right.
Taking rides in the cabs, and it was very difficult to communicate. Nobody really understood English.
Okay.
We used to use sign language on the roads.
Right. Okay. So when did you visit?
I think that was 2 years ago. I visited with my siblings, 3 or 4. Yeah.
Which cities or which places did you visit here?
I went to Phuket and I went to Phi, 2 places.
Oh,
and Bangkok for a day. Yeah.
Okay, good. Did you enjoy it? Did you have a good time?
I loved it. It was one of the best trips I ever took in my life. It was amazing. I'm sure you must be liking staying there too.
Sure. Well, I'm still here. So,
So which city are you in Thailand?
I'm in Bangkok.
Okay, Bangkok is really nice. I really like the city.
Right. Okay. It seems to be one of those places people either love it or they hate it.
No, I loved it. I loved it. I went to a mall, though it was very congested. But apart from the mall, I loved everything about Bangkok. The street shopping, the shopping was amazing. Yes.
So what brought you to Cambly? Your English already seems very good.
Thank you. Help others understand how things work on Cambly. I shot one video before this one.
Right.
That went really well. It has more than 100,000 views on it.
Wow.
And I uploaded it, I think, just 7 or 8 days ago. So that one is doing well. Yes.
So are you a famous YouTuber in India?
Not really famous, but yeah, I do have more than 120,000 subscribers on YouTube.
Okay, good. And what are most of your YouTube videos about? What do you like to make videos?
I mostly make content on earning online, making money online, and supporting students with their English speaking skills and communication skills, how to be more attractive and to their personality development and stuff like that.
Right. Okay.
Yeah.
And is YouTubing your only
right now?
Yes. Job? Yeah?
I otherwise I'm a certified public accountant. That is called a chartered accountant in India. So
right.
I'm a chartered accountant. I do have my own finance firm, but I am not sitting there these days because of Corona. The things are not really working over there. Sure. But I am making YouTube videos from home and it is going well. So I really plan on sticking to YouTube. I love working on YouTube, making videos because it's very interactive. The way people engage with you, they ask you for favors. I mean, they ask you for things like, ma'am, we want to see this from you. We want to see content on this particular topic, that topic. They send hundreds of ideas almost regularly. And then I pick one of those ideas and I make a video on it. It's easy. It's not difficult.
Yeah. How long have you been doing it?
I've been doing it for close to 2 years now. Close to 2 years. Yeah. Tell me something about yourself. I'd love to know.
So I'm originally I'm from England, but I moved to Thailand about 18 years ago.
Oh, 18 years ago?
18 years ago.
Okay, all right.
I've been here for a while.
So do you travel to England quite often?
Usually about once every year and a half,
Okay.
on average.
Okay. So do you miss England? Because England is so beautiful. It's one of the most beautiful countries of the world.
Yeah, I guess friends and family most.
Mhm.
I don't really miss the weather. I don't like cold weather.
Yes, it's always wet over there, right? Always raining.
Yes, sure. It's unpredictable.
It's
The summers can be very nice.
Mhm.
England in the summer is
Mm.
lovely.
I
Uh,
do remember the World Cup that happened in England just a few months ago. It
right,
was always raining. All the matches cancelled.
sure. But yes, so I prefer sunshine and warm weather.
Oh,
Thailand suits me much better.
have you ever come to India? Ever
I
been to?
haven't. It's on my list of probably the top 3 places I'd like to visit.
I can propose a few names you should visit if you come to India.
Right.
You
Where
must
would you recommend?
you must go to Kerala, definitely.
Okay, Kerala's southern India.
Yes, southern India, peninsular India. It's amazing. Then you must go to Kashmir. If you come
Right.
to India and you don't go to Kashmir, I don't know. It's going to be a huge mistake
Okay.
if you
I,
don't go to Kashmir. It's one of the most beautiful places in our country. It's just like it resembles all the pictures. If you will search Kashmir on internet, whatever pictures you will feel like you're sitting in Switzerland.
right.
So they're equally beautiful, or maybe Kashmir is more beautiful.
Sure.
Kashmir is. Yes, sorry. Is it safe? You're asking.
Yes.
I have been to Kashmir, and I faced nothing, no problem at all.
Okay.
But yes, of course, it's always risky out there.
Mhm.
But then it's worth the risk.
Right. Okay.
It's worth the risk. You have to go to Kashmir. I mean, coming to India and not going to Kashmir would be a disaster.
Right. Okay.
Then apart from that, I think these are 2 places I would highly recommend.
Hmm.
But apart from that, entire India is very pretty. Just pick a few more cities and visit them as well.
It seems like somewhere you need a few months to
Mhm.
travel. Not not
You
not
you need at least
not,
one
not a
month.
week or a 2-week holiday.
Minimum of 1 month is required if you really want to see India. You
Sure.
really want to. Delhi is going to scare you. Delhi is highly congested. It's going to
Okay.
scare you. Yeah.
It makes Bangkok look like a village, probably.
Yes, it will. It will.
And do you travel a lot? You said you've been to
I
Thailand. Do you?
I do. I travel a lot. I used to travel a lot. Now, Corona, I mean, I haven't left my home in 3 months. But
Okay.
before Corona, I used to travel every month. Now I'm home arrested, not
Okay.
going anywhere. Yes.
And where have you traveled? Other places in Asia or Europe, America?
Not really to Europe. I haven't been to Europe yet. I haven't been to America. But we
Right.
were planning a trip to Canada this year. But then suddenly things changed. We were
Sure.
planning to go to Calgary and Toronto. My sisters
Hmm.
are there. 2 of my
Okay.
sisters are living there. So we were
Great.
planning a trip, but then it got all cancelled. Apart from that, I've been to Bhutan. I've been to Indonesia. I've been to Thailand. I've been to Malaysia thrice.
Hmm.
And I think I'm forgetting of 1 or 2 places. I don't remember. But in India, I've been to a lot of places.
Right.
And one place that is not very much there on the map, I mean, you wouldn't be able to know about it if you search otherwise, is Shoghi. Shoghi.
Ah, is that in the north?
Yes, it is in Himalaya.
Near Tibet?
It's one of my favorite places. I've been there quite many times. It's really secluded,
Mm.
not many people, but it's very beautiful.
Yeah, it sounds great. I don't know if it's there, but I remember seeing somewhere that's close to Tibet and you see the architecture and the people, and
Yes.
you could imagine you were in Tibet.
Yes. Yes. Right.
And how was Bhutan? Because that's somewhere I'd be interested in visiting.
You should. It's
Yeah.
amazing. It's beautiful. Bhutan is very pretty.
Hmm.
Especially there is this trek by the name of Tiger's Nest.
Right.
It's a trek, and it's very steep, extremely
Okay.
steep. I'm not a trekking person at all. I
Uh-huh.
hate treks. I can't walk so much. I cannot climb mountains. But then I had to do it because everyone else was doing it.
Sure.
I regretted climbing those mountains that I had to for almost 5-6 hours of that day. But when you reach there, it is so beautiful. It's a small temple on the side of a huge mountain.
Okay.
It's a very small temple, and so many people go there, and everybody who travels to Bhutan takes that trek always.
Right. Okay.
So you must go there if you get a chance to. And then Thimphu is it's like a village, Thimphu. That is also very pretty.
Okay,
That's
sounds nice.
Yeah.
I've been to Nepal a couple of times. Have you been there?
Can you repeat that, please?
Nepal.
No, I don't think I've heard of that name.
Maybe the pronunciation is different. I'm sure you know it. It borders India.
Oh yeah, we call it Nepal.
Nepal. Oh, okay.
Yeah, I've been to Nepal. I've been there.
Oh, good.
Nepal, actually, I wasn't actually planning to go to Nepal. It was a layover of a flight. I was coming back from somewhere else, and then we had a layover for 5 or 6 hours. And then we decided to step out of the airport and see the city a little bit and come back. So we did go out, and that was around the time when Nepal was struck by a very massive earthquake.
Oh, okay, I remember,
I remember seeing all those buildings, I mean, the debris.
Demolished by the earthquake.
Yes. And then there were policemen from Australia and other countries who were helping with the, what do you call it?
Rescue.
Rescue, disaster management, all that stuff. Yeah, so that was also
not the best time to visit Kathmandu.
Yes, not the best time to visit, but I still like the simplicity of the place.
Yeah.
Very simple place. Very simple. People were very simple. And the language was nice. The markets were very humble. Not a very rich country, obviously. It's not a rich country. You will get that feel when you are there.
Right.
But then you will like it. The simplicity of the place is going to charm to you. Yeah.
Okay, great. And what do you do to relax or have fun?
When we were not logged down, we used to watch a lot of movies. And one of the most favorite things to do was trying new restaurants, because I mean, food in India is world famous.
Right.
Yeah, so we used to travel all types of we used to travel to these restaurants and try different cuisines. One of my favorite cuisines is Malaysian. It's very tasty. Good. So then Thai is also quite appreciated in India.
Right.
Yeah, but I am not really a fan of Thai food. It's slightly sweet for me.
Okay.
Yeah, the curry part is slightly sweet.
Yeah, different to the Indian curry. Obviously, most English people love Indian curries.
Yes, we do. I see your time is running out, I guess.
Yes, it looks like it. Well, it was very interesting to meet you, Alina.
Thank you. It was lovely speaking with you.
Thank you. Likewise.
Okay.
Have a great day then. Take care.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.